Look at it. We have preposition de lieu. Preposition de lieu. Now, the first one we have devant un nom de pays. Devant un nom de pays. This means in front of a name of a country. This means that in French we have masculine and feminine countries. So in front of the name of the countries, countries that are masculine countries, countries that are masculine countries, we use O all the time. Countries all the time. Par exemple, le Nigeria. Donc au Nigeria, nous travaillons dur. Au Nigeria, nous travaillons dur. It means in Nigeria, we work hard. In Nigeria, we work hard. So, au Nigeria, O goes with masculine countries. O goes with masculine countries. Now, for feminine countries, the only preposition that goes with them is on. The only preposition that goes with them is on. For example, we have en Italie, en Italie, les gens meurent du virus. Mrs. Mayor, let me write this properly. Les gens meurent du virus. This is from the verb mourir, die. I'm saying en Italie, les gens meurent du virus. In Italy, people are dying of the virus. Because Italy is regarded as a feminine country, that's why we're using on. To mean in Italy. In Italy, people are dying because of the virus. Now, for plural countries, for instance, plural countries, the preposition that go with them is O. Now, which countries does the Frenchman regard to as plural countries? We have countries like, of course, the United States, because there are a lot of states that comprise of the United States. Les États-Unis, and also we have another country, Les Seychelles. The Frenchman regards these countries as feminine countries. If you're not saying, I'm going to the United States, it becomes, je vais aux États-Unis. Or you are saying, I am coming from Seychelles. Okay, you can go from me is de, or you are saying, I work in Seychelles. Je travaille aux Seychelles. Je travaille aux Seychelles. It does not matter. As long as you know the country, the gender of the country, the preposition that goes with them is O for masculine, on for feminine, and AUX for plural. For plural. That is all for countries. Now let me give you some masculine and feminine countries that I can remember. This is China, La Chine. Do not forget L apostrophe too. Goes with countries. Le Nigeria. Then le Royaume-Uni. That's United Kingdom, le Royaume-Uni. We have le Canada. We have la France. We have la France. We have l'Italie. We have le Chili. That's Chile. We have l'Argentine. We have la Colombie. Oui, that's Colombia. And so on and so forth. Le Togo, le Ghana. La Côte d'Ivoire, la Côte d'Ivoire, and so on and so forth. So all these countries, masculine, feminine, masculine, 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 feminine, feminine. The preposition that goes with them is O, on, or AUX for countries. For countries, please do not forget, for countries. However, look at the next one. Devant un nom de ville, ville means city. Devant un nom de ville, devant un nom de ville, in front of a name of a city. Cities does not have masculine or feminine. That's the good thing about it. Cities does not have masculine or feminine. As long as it's a city, Rome, Venice, Paris, Strasbourg, Lagos, Le Mans, Accra, Montreal, Quebec, anywhere you want to put it, anywhere you want, as long as it's a city, San Francisco, Rio de Janeiro, Buenos Aires, any city, the only preposition that go with them is are. No masculine, no feminine. The only preposition that goes with cities is are. For example, oh, j'habite à Québec. J'habite à Québec. Mon père travaille à Lyon. Ma mère est infirmière. Ma mère est infirmière à Rome. Infirmière means a nurse. Nurse. My mom is a nurse in Rome. You can say, mon ami travaille à Lagos. Son frère, his brother, étudie, studies. Son frère étudie à New York. Cities. Cities. What we have is the only preposition that go with them is are, irrespective of where the city is, because cities does not have gender. The only preposition that go with them is are. Just bring your are plus the city. C'est fini. No more, no less. C'est fini. That is that for cities and countries. Cities and countries. So let's proceed to nom de lieu.